Learn English to Hindi banking words, bank to.
Bank statement.
Welcome to your money adventure. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi banking words without falling asleep on a pile of receipts. We start friendly, simple, and just a little ridiculous. Imagine this. You walk into a
Bank.
to open a new.
Khata.
You feel confident. You feel prepared. You feel like a finance wizard. Then somehow you also have a
Naksha.
in one hand, a snack in the other, and no idea why your day became an epic quest. That is okay. By the end of this chapter, words like
Bar. भुगतान करना. पैसे निकालना. स्थानांतरित करना.
and
Bank statement.
will feel much more familiar. The day begins at the bank. Let's step into the story. You are the star, and your mission is simple: survive modern banking in Hindi. You say, I am going to the
Bank.
single quote. In Hindi, the key word is
Bank.
at the counter, you say you want an account. The Hindi word is
Khata.
a
Khata.
is your bank account, your money's little apartment. Then the clerk smiles, the mysterious clerk smile, and gives you forms. So many forms. Enough forms to wallpaper a small castle. Where am I and why'd I have a map? Because language learning loves chaos, here comes a surprise word. Yes, it is useful too. You look around the building and wonder if this is the right place. So you check the
Naksha. Naksha.
means map. Maybe the
Bank.
is next to the coffee shop. Maybe it is next to a giant statue of a dancing calculator. Either way, now you know, map is
Naksha.
pay like a responsible legend. Now you are inside, things get serious. Or at least serious-ish. You need to pay a fee. The phrase is
भुगतान करना.
say it with rhythm.
भुगतान करना.
It means to pay. You can imagine a cashier, a bill, and your brave hand reaching for your wallet. That moment is
भुगतान करना.
tiny joke for memory. The bill never forgets you. You may forget the bill, but the bill remembers. Cash, please. Sometimes cards are fancy, but cash still saves the day. So let's visit the ATM. You need to withdraw money. In Hindi, that is
पैसे निकालना.
picture yourself inserting a card, pressing buttons, and waiting dramatically as if the machine is deciding your fate. Then the notes appear. Victory. That action is
पैसे निकालना.
not spending money, not earning money, but taking money out. Send the money on a journey. What if your money needs to travel more than you do? Then you transfer it. The word for transfer is
स्थानांतरित करना.
it is a long phrase, yes. It sounds important because it is important. If you move money from one
खाता.
to another, you
स्थानांतरित करना.
imagine your money wearing a tiny backpack and boarding a digital train. Very efficient, very adorable. The mysterious paper of truth. Now comes the document that knows everything. Yes, even that snack purchase you hoped to forget. A bank statement in Hindi is
Bank statement.
your
Bank statement.
shows payments, transactions, and the tiny financial plot twists of your month. One coffee, another coffee, a heroic sandwich. The paper knows all. So remember, bank statement is
Bank statement.
an unexpected stop at the bar. After all this banking, you deserve a break. Or at least a dramatic vocabulary detour. You meet a friend at the
Bar.
The word
Bar.
means bar. Conveniently, it sounds very close to English. At the
Bar.
your friend asks, did you go to the
Bank.
You say, yes, I opened a
खाता.
had to
भुगतान करना.
a fee and then
पैसे निकालना.
from the ATM. Your friend nods like this is normal conversation. Because now it is. Mini dialogue drill. Time to hear the words in action. Read along or repeat after each line. A. Where are you going? B. To the
बैंक,
A. What do you need there? B. A new
खाता,
A. Do you need cash too? B. Yes, I need
पैसे निकालना,
A. And after that? B. I need
स्थानांतरित करना,
some money. A. How will you check it later? B. With my
बैंक स्टेटमेंट,
A. And then? B. Then maybe the
बार,
Learning is thirsty work. Quick memory challenge. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. No panic, this is friendly. What is bank in Hindi?
बैंक,
What is account in Hindi?
खाता,
What is map in Hindi?
नक्शा,
How do you say bar?
बार,
How do you say pay?
भुगतान करना,
How do you say withdraw money?
पैसे निकालना,
How do you say transfer?
स्थानांतरित करना,
How do you say bank statement?
बैंक स्टेटमेंट,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through banking vocabulary with dignity, courage, and only a small amount of imaginary paperwork. Today you practiced
बैंक, खाता, नक्शा, बार, भुगतान करना, पैसे निकालना, स्थानांतरित करना,
and
बैंक स्टेटमेंट.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and let your Hindi grow one useful phrase at a time.